It's just about truth.
Justin sued by his own lawyer? E.T. has the docs proving that, in fact, did happen. 3 years ago, Brian Friedman filed papers against Justin for copyright infringement.
I believe in God's divine timing.
In 2021, Friedman represented a client with cystic fibrosis who accused Justin of ripping off his romance script for Justin's directorial debut,
Action!
5 Feet Apart, a tearjerker about 2 cystic fibrosis patients who fall in love.
5 Feet Apart. Are you in?
I just knew I wanted to make a movie that could inspire us to fight for love.
I just opened myself up to love.
The client, Travis Flores, met Justin when he appeared on his docuseries in 2019. He alleged Justin stole key plot points and character personalities from his screenplay. The case was settled 6 months later, the terms undisclosed. But here's what Justin told ET in 2019.
This movie was inspired by a dear friend of mine, Claire Wineland. She had cystic fibrosis and was the first one to tell me that 2 people with CF, they can't touch. And I just thought, what a beautiful obstacle in a love story.
Today, Friedman told ET in part, "In the copyright infringement case, I learned Justin did absolutely nothing wrong. This only further confirmed to me that Justin is exceedingly honorable and highly ethical." Meanwhile, Blake Lively and husband Ryan Reynolds are still waiting to see if the gag order they requested will be approved. They think Friedman is leaking info to the press and want him silenced.
I don't think the gag order is going to go anywhere. I don't think a judge would impose that.
Amid all the legal drama, It Ends With Us author Colleen Hoover, who has spoken out in support of Blake, has deactivated her Instagram account. Next for the best-selling author, her 2018 book Verity is currently getting the big screen treatment with Anne Hathaway, Josh Hartnett, and Dakota Johnson set to star.
It's getting off the ground. I got to read the script and we're excited.